Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to add my bots to your TradeView, and so it's all run through TradeView. Just a little bit of quick knowledge. Took me about 2 months to make this first one, and then after that, I tested it for about 2 weeks, and then it wouldn't allow me to, the file got corrupted or something, and it wouldn't allow me to like edit it or anything. So what I did is I tried to make a copy, and within 2 weeks, and the profits are about the same. They're very, very close. I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So let's get into it. So first, you're going to want to go to your Google, then go to the drive. Basically, click on the link that I sent you, and you're going to see this bot up here, and you're going to want to right-click on it and hit download. And it's going to zip a little bit, but I already did that, so it's going to download to your computer. And it's the same thing for Mac, so you don't really worry about it. And then once you have that, you're going to get it right here. You can see it comes up. Wait, wrong bot. Real quick. You're going to see it comes up with this. Now, once you click on this, you're going to go through the setup, and you're going to open. No, wait. You're going to go to bots and then open by bot main. And then just highlight it all, copy, and then go over here, type in TradeView, and you're pretty much there. I'm just going to erase some stuff real quick. Alright, so once you're on the TradeView screen, you're going to want to go to Pine Editor. Oh wait, first though, you're going to want to go to here, select 30 minutes. It only works on the 30-minute chart and Elinki Ashy candles. I'm not sure how to say it. It's not good. Then come over here to Pine Editor, hit delete, paste, then hit add to chart first. And you can see that's the overall strategy, but we haven't edited it yet. And it already did 900% since the beginning of the year, but we want more. So then you want to hit save, and then save it as, it is called, then you're going to take this little top piece, and hit copy, and then save, and then paste. And by the way, little knowledge, Spes is the, I'm not sure how to say it. So this basically means, in total, in Greek, this means, if you'll look here real quick, meaning hope of wealth, and the number means stability and mankind. So that's basically what it means. So hope of wealth bought stability of mankind. Save that, and now you'll see that it appears up here. And now you're going to want to come up here, and to get it back, you can just go to My Scripts and then select it, basically. Yeah, see, you'll see this bot right here. Recommend you star it, because it's nice. Then, after that, you're going to want to hit New, then hit Blank Indicator Strategy, delete all that, come all the way over here, Bots, Confirmation Bot, copy. Then you're going to want to go to here and copy and paste, then hit Save, then Chart Confirmation Bot 1. And now, if you go to Indicators, My Scripts, and you'll see the bot confirmation one. Now, it's going to look kind of crazy for a bit, but once you look at this, then you're going to want to go to here. Then you're going to set it for 30. So that's the, here, you're going to want to go to here first. Helsinki Ashi candles, 30-minute chart. That's the bot name. Then you're going to want to go here first and select that and change that to 30. Then you're going to want to come up here, select this, and you're going to want to select properties, and then how much money that you're willing to invest. So let's just say you have $10,000. Base currency, set it to USD, and then unselect these, and then go down here and select default. Precision is an 8. Properties, that's fine. Then you're going to go to all, and then change that to, so the bot learns from experience. So when you start this, so you can see how much you made since the beginning of the year in this trade, but you can go back. You want it to learn as much as possible. So then you're going to want to set this to 2012 because that's when TQQ was started. Then backtest month, have all these settings, and then source close, then ethema, and then hold on, let me get the settings for it, and then set this to 20, and then set that, and then you do that, and then come over here. Where is it? Oh wait, no, that's the other one, sorry. Then you're going to just want to come over here and hit save as default. And then, yep, so that's how that's going. And then you're going to want to come back to over here. And then come over here, and you're going to want to delete all these. And then change this one to a green. Change this one to a red. Change this one to a green. Change this one to a green. I like a lighter green, so we'll change it back in a second, and then select that one as red. So I like a lighter color, so we're just going to go up and set it to 25. 25. Shoot. 25. I highly recommend you just copy that, paste, copy, paste. Wow, that did not work this second time. Alright, so then precision, turn that to 8, and then hit save as default. Come over here and hit OK. Alright, so now you're gonna, if it's not working for you, go on TQQ. It's the only one that works. It works on it. It's essentially the same thing for all my other bots, but this bot's basically the best. You can see here it says, so this is your profit since the beginning. And if performance summary, you can see the list of trades that it took. And then, all right, so here's how to basically use it and trade it. So so this is the chart confirmation. When it's in the red, you don't want to buy. But if it shows something like this, where it shows a buy, and then it gets out of the red, then you're going to want to buy on that first candle that's out of the red. So that's the strategy. And then you can see over here, look at, that's its own, there's like a few losses this year, and this is one of them, but look, it says buy in the red and then sell in the red. So then look at buy in the red, you would have bought right there, and then you just wait it out until you get a sell signal, and that's basically how you would trade it. That's the simplest way, and it's really freaking great. And even if you didn't listen to these even if you didn't look for the confirmation and the chart settings, you would still see this much profit since 2012. Now, here's how you can use it as like a thing to like calculate how much you would have made this year already. So you can come up here, hit properties, and then initial capital. Let's just say that $10,000. That order size 100%, and then come over here. Then I like to see how it says strategy direction all. So when it says strategy direction all, that means that you're going to have to buy SQQ when it says sell. All right. And I'm sure that you're going to lose some trades, but you can see if you change this to long, you can see how the profit goes down only to 27,000. But if I change it to all, which means it's shorting and you're going to get 100 194,000. Wait, no, 1,900,000 and you get it. All right, it's basically just a lot more money. And then you want to see how much money you would have made since you started in 2018. Well, it updates right there. If you want to see how much money you would have started since the beginning of the year, you would have made 2,000% profit since the beginning of the year. Um, and that's not including this. So the profitability, so you can see this right here. The profitability of it is not high right there. It's 56%, which means 56% of the trades go good and 56% of trades go bad. I mean, like 44% of the trades go bad. All right. So that's not the That's not the value of it. So the thing is, you have to look at it. If it's in the red, don't buy until it gets into the green. So look at, even if you bought at this price, at the worst price, you're still going to be better than that. You're still going to be worse off than that first candle up. And then right after that, you would have been disappointed here if you bought and then you're like, "Oh man, it's going down." And then you sold and then boom, it shot right up. So if you see a buy signal, wait for the green. Also, don't use extended hours unless you're willing to wake up super freaking early and go to bed at late at night. So just use regular. So you can see its max drawdown is 10%. So its worst trade in this year is 10%. But its get net profit is 2,083%. And then over here, you can see the average bars per in a trade is 14. So every single trade is about 7 hours on average. So you can expect a trade every 7 hours, not including after hours. So if I went like this, just every 7 hours expect a trade, but that's only market hours. So all of these are overnight, and this bot is programmed. So even if you don't have $25,000, you can still trade it. It's gonna try not to let you go into the like dark. It's not gonna let you go past 3-day trades in a day, in 3 days. I mean, in a week. So look at it. If it tells you to buy right here, you can see that's May 15th, 18th, sell on the 20th, buy on the 20th, sell May 21st. But you would have shorted it there, so you'd ride that all the way down. May 22nd. May 22nd at 12 o'clock you would have bought, and you would have sold at May 26th at 13. That's military time. That's like almost 2:30. All right, I think that's the last trade of the day. You would have sold right there. That's a few days down, but what I'm saying is you won't get. It's a form of swing trading that's very profitable. All right. Yeah. So have fun with that. Oh wait. So this big thing down here is its ratio. So you can see it starts off. So actually, you can see drawdown, and then equity, and then let's go percentage. So this is by percentage. You can see it gets above. So this is basically the percentage over here. This is the time it took to get there. Now, as you can see, it's speeding up as it's going. But then it does some of these cluster things. Now it's going to try to help you. But thanks for watching. If you have any comments, comment. I try to respond, even for people a month old. I will definitely respond. I'm making more bots as soon as possible. So this is my main bot. Now I'm going to do settings. So don't you remember the settings that we put in? We are going to change those settings so if you wanted to swing trade TQQ, you could. So I'm going to make a Google Doc of all the things that I'm trading and a list of stocks and their settings for that particular trade, you know? So thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. See you later. It's going to be free for as long as I can, and then if like 1,000 people use it, we'll see. But see you later.